Hello everyone, my name is Desiree Sylvia. Today is July 25th, 2026. I will be discussing micronutrients, chapter 44, vitamins and minerals and the role they play in our bodies. Unlike carbohydrates, protein, and fats, micronutrients actually use those macronutrients in helping enzymes carry out the chemical reactions involved in metabolism. By the end of this presentation, students will be able to define micronutrients and explain the difference between vitamins and minerals, explain the difference between water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins, identify common signs of micronutrient deficiencies, recognize major food sources of essential vitamins and minerals, and explain the importance of a balanced diet for overall health. So let's begin by asking one simple question. What exactly are micronutrients? Micronutrients are nutrients the body needs in small amounts to maintain physiological functions of the body. They help enzymes function, support immunity, strengthen bones, repair tissues, and assist in hundreds of biochemical reactions every day. Micronutrients intake is vital for maintaining health and preventing diseases throughout life. Even though we only need small amounts, a deficiency in just one micronutrient can have significant effects on health. Single micronutrient deficiency states are comparatively easily recognized and treated, usually with supplements. Subclinical deficiency often requires laboratory testing, and multiple micronutrients is difficult to recognize throughout. Micronutrients include two groups, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic compounds that help regulate metabolic processes, while minerals are inorganic elements involved in everything from muscle contraction to bone formation and nerve signaling. Vitamins and minerals work together to help enzymes catalyze the chemical reactions required for metabolism and energy production. Some examples of vitamins include vitamin C, B12, and D. Some examples for minerals include magnesium, iron, and calcium. Usually, vitamins are found in food and supplements, while minerals are found in soil, water, foods, and supplements. There are two types of vitamins, water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins include vitamin C and B complex vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyroxidine, biotin, folate, and cobalamin. Some fat-soluble vitamins include vitamin A, D, E, and K. Water-soluble vitamins help maintain energy production and nutrient metabolism, as well as gene expression. For example, vitamin C helps with enzyme co-substrate and works as an antioxidant. Both water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed differently, and we'll discuss that in the next two slides. The absorption of water-soluble vitamins occurs in the bloodstream, and their functional sites include the liver, brain, kidneys, adrenal glands, white blood cells, and spleen, to name a few. Most B vitamins serve as precursors to coenzymes and enable enzymes to metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, ultimately supporting ATP production. For example, vitamin B1, thiamine, forms the coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP, which helps convert pyruvate into acetyl-CoA, an important step that links glycolysis to the citric acid cycle. Water-soluble vitamins are found in many foods, such as citrus fruits for vitamin C, pork for thiamine, eggs and dairy products for riboflavin, whole grains for niacin and B5, poultry and bananas for B6, egg yolks for biotin, spinach and kale for folate, and vitamin B12 is mainly found in animal products. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins are best absorbed when there is fat present for adequate absorption. Each fat-soluble vitamin are unique to their own, as some are good for vision, gene expression, regulation of calcium absorption, and activation of blood clotting. For example, the primary precursor for vitamin A is beta-carotene as it converts into retinol, which is the active form of vitamin A. Other examples that are listed here are vitamin D, which technically acts as a hormone. This vitamin is synthesized in the skin by exposure to sunlight, which helps maintain the function of calcium absorption and homeostasis. Vitamin E is great as an antioxidant, and vitamin K helps with blood clotting. Fat-soluble vitamins are found in many foods, which include carrots and sweet potatoes for vitamin A, fatty fish and egg yolks for vitamin D, nuts and seeds for vitamin E, and kale, spinach, and collard greens for vitamin K. Here we have minerals. Many of the minerals are widely distributed through food and water intake. Minerals are extremely important as they help build strong bones, support muscle contractions, regulate nerve impulses, maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, and help produce hormones and enzymes. Some major minerals found in food include dairy products for calcium, red meat for iron, black beans and pumpkin seeds for magnesium, and oysters, beef, and chicken for zinc. This is why maintaining a healthy balance is critical for maintaining a healthy life. When you have a balanced diet, with, you have your macronutrients for protein, carbs, and fats. If you have your healthy fats, if you, for example, you have a salad that has tomatoes, kale, green leaf, cucumbers, pumpkin seeds. The dressing is olive oil with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and grilled chicken. And avocado. That is a well-balanced meal because you are including vitamins, water-soluble vitamins, protein, your fat. So all of that will help maintain proper function in the body. All right, now for some questions. Question 1. What is the primary role of micronutrients? A. Store energy. B. Support metabolic processes and enzyme function. C. Build muscle. Or D. Provide calories. The answer is B. Support metabolic processes and enzyme function. Question 2. What fat-soluble vitamin is primarily responsible for calcium absorption? A. Vitamin E. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin D. Or D. Vitamin K. The answer is C. Vitamin D. Question 3. Why are B vitamins important in metabolism? A. They provide ATP directly. B. They replace enzymes. C. They increase blood glucose. Or D. Many are converted into coenzymes that help enzymes produce energy. The answer is D. Many are converted into coenzymes that help enzymes produce energy. Question 4. Which of the following vitamins acts primarily as an antioxidant? A. Vitamin K. B. Vitamin E. C. Vitamin B12. D. Vitamin B1. The answer is B. Vitamin E. And finally, question 5. Which micronutrients provide calories? A. Minerals. B. Vitamins. C. Neither vitamins nor minerals. Or D. Water. The answer is C. Neither vitamins nor minerals. And that concludes this lesson of the day. Thank you.